Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Ochman. I am that filmmaker boy with a knack for cryptocurrency, and today I want to share something fantastic with you. Some of you must have been hearing about this program called Money. It is a smart contract project, and based on the Ethereum smart contract. So it's actually powered by blockchain, and you have to understand that with this project already, it is going viral. And so if you are hearing about this today, you need to sign up on this project immediately. Though that's not what I'm about here to talk about, but you need to just get involved, get along with the trend, okay? What I'm about to explain today, just how to navigate the interface, because some people have been asking me, a lot of people in my small team, they'll be asking, how do you do this? How do you do that? How do you do this in Million Money? So I'm here now to explain to this so that both people in my team and others who are not in my team can go along and use this amazing program. So we go here. This is assuming that you have already registered. Okay, assuming that you're already registered and you want to navigate. So once you come to million.money, this is what you're seeing. So remember that this is where you can check. If you can notice, this is written in this is the default page is on Russia. Perhaps it's a Russian programmer that did this. So, but you can come here and change your language. Like I'm changing it to English right now. So once you change your language, okay, as you change your language, you can come in here because, okay, now I'm looking at this with my MetaMask wallet from my laptop. So you personally might be, most people definitely, not just you, might be using Trust Wallet on their iPhone or Android, or you can be using Multi or whichever wallet again. But I'm using here, so work around it is almost the same thing. The interface doesn't change, it's just that I have a wider screen. So now once you register in, because already my wallet is linked to this, so that's why it's able to connect me to this place. All right, now let's just take it a little bit by bit. Hoping that the video won't be long, but on the control panel, this is the, just click here, control panel. This is the first place, the first page you meet. This place already shows you, it shows you the user ID. So this, for this account, this is the user ID of this account, and this is the ETH wallet attached to it. So that's where the smart contract is carried out. Okay, here is the amount of Ethereum you have earned so far, and here is the equivalent of the Ethereum in the current Ethereum value in dollars. Okay, for this account, this is where you have your partners, as in your downlines, people you are doing this business with. It's called your partner. So for this account, it has 54, and so that's why it is here. Then here it tells you the level at which you are at the moment. So for this account, it's level 3. And okay, here you will see how you are doing with people who are coming into your team, your referrals. How many people did you refer this day? How many people? If you notice, I think this today is actually 11 referrals from my team. So you see how this is going. Then when you come down here, this is an interesting place. This is where you know that this business is actually driven by metrics. It's a 2 by 10 metrics program actually. Okay, so by the time you work your way down to level 10, I think at level 10 you should be making 1,200 Ethereum or thereabout. 1,500 Ethereum, I mean. 1,500 Ethereum. So, but for you to register level 1, you will need to use 0.038 to register. Then make sure you have some little gas fee on your wallet so it can carry out the 0.038. And all the way to here, these are the money required for you to register. But definitely the only money you are bringing from your pocket is going to be this. Because once you get into all these other levels, those are monies you've earned that you can now take out from and upgrade to the next level. Okay, so let's go to these messages. A message is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful innovation. This is a place where you can communicate with your team members. Okay, you will come here and communicate with your sponsors, send the messages. Hey, I have my tool now. I need you to help me to tell me how I can do this, I can do that, and all that. Then you can talk to your partners, your downlines, and tell them, oh, guy, you need to work hard, you need to push this thing, we need to get on the groove. Or you can decide to pick just one person out of your downline and say, okay, um, hey, bro, I noticed that you are supposed to upgrade and you have not upgraded. This, you can just communicate with this, you can communicate easily and well with them, hoping that their eyes will always be here. So let's go to partners. This is where everything gets interesting. I love this place. Here you see your link. If you notice, this last five number is the same as your user ID. Okay, so but this is where it gets interesting. This is where you need to put your eye on. I want to open up all the chain of people in this team. So you need to put your eyes on here, people. You need to put your eyes in this place. This is where you control how things work. This is where you monitor, and this is where you see where to put who and where to add who. Okay, if you see this, I think this particular account is actually growing, and for those of you who are okay, case in point, this is the first person, the leader of this team. He has brought his two, and his two has brought their four. And 4 will bring 8, 8 will bring 16, 16 will bring 32, 32 will bring, you know, you keep multiplying it by 2. Now, this is an interesting thing. If you notice here, from this place, this, okay, let's use this person. This his leg is moving faster. Okay, let me not use this guy. Let's use this person. If you notice here, this leg is moving very fast. I mean, they're a little walking, but here is lagging behind a little bit. So you will need to, if you are the one who is this man here, your eye need to be on these people right now, so you can get them up to speed. Okay, so that nobody is left behind. Can get them up to speed anytime you're here, whoever you are. If case in point you are this person, you notice that your first two have gotten, and this guy got one, this guy got one. So you need to get somebody to feel either of these two, help them to get their own whilst they are working on their own, push them to get, and equally if you have, put the person under any of them, under any of them. But for me, if I'm going to be the one who is here and I get somebody, these are the people I'll be concentrating on. These people are who are still here. I'll be concentrating on them. Okay, this is basically how you monitor your team. This is how you watch them. This is how you help and push them to grow. We'll get back to this, but for now, here are the money that you have received so far in the business. Now, the fantastic thing about this business is that it is paid directly into your wallet. There is no middleman, there is no admin, there is no other fee. You're paying directly into your wallet, wallet to wallet, decentralized 100%. Okay, you come to this place in uplines. Here you see your uplines. Okay, these are your uplines. These are your uplines. This is the person who that account is directly linked to. The next person is this person's upline is this, and that person's upline is this. You understand? So this is how this works. Okay. If you come to this lost profit here, you will see if perhaps you have lost any profit, it will be showing here. But for those of us who are in my team, we are working together, making sure that nobody is left behind and nobody is missing profit. So if you want to join the team, you can check the link below and join our team, and we're working together. This team is just less than a week old. All right. Okay. Here you see promos, you see presentation papers. You understand, you can check whichever language works for you, you can download and use it and do presentations or whatever. Okay, and here you can get out, log out from your app. Okay, this is a fantastic, very, very fantastic business. It's just a plus one minus one business. You need to understand how it works, and it's just you getting your tool. It's a networking business, totally networking. Getting your tool with just a minimum of with just about $5 to $6, you are into this business. Okay, $5 to $6, you've logged in, guaranteed, and you find that there is absolutely no risk involved. It's instant payout, cheating excluded. Nobody is cheating you. The system cannot be hacked. It's not possible for the system to be hacked. It's available to everyone. You can enter with just about $5 or $6. Simple and fast marketing, passive income over 100 days. I mean, smart contract is simple, long term, 24/7 tech support, and easy startup. Very, very easy startup, guys. Now, this is what again I want to show you. Now, see, when I entered this business just about a week ago, we were 76,000 plus. Okay, at this moment, this is 99,623. So in just about 1 week, we've added over 20,000 participants. So what I'm telling you is that you need to get on the groove. Time waits for no man. The earlier you come, the better. So check this. Get to meet the person who shared this video with you, or if you are just seeing it through this YouTube channel, you can just go through there and check the link, register. I will put out the steps on how to register. Follow the steps simply through Android or maybe iOS, and you register, and we will move together. Okay, just but always keep your eye on your team and keep watching. The marketing plan is genius. I'm out of here, guys. Thank you very much and keep winning.